Hi, welcome to the Telos community. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a free Telos account on your mobile device. Afterwards we're going to set up Anchor. Now let's dive in. Go to your preferred browser on your iPhone or Android device and navigate to the link on screen. Tap Create a new account. Here we are on the account creation page. Enter a unique 12-character address of your choice. Just keep in mind you can only use lowercase letters from A to Z and the numbers 1 to 5. Now tap this square blue icon to copy your private key to your clipboard. You're going to need it later on. For additional security, we strongly recommend writing down the private key for your account instead of making a print screen. Maintaining 100% control of your private key should be a #1 priority. Now check this box if you copied your key somewhere safe. Now solve the CAPTCHA and press continue. There we go, you've now created your personal Telos account. Let's move on to the next section and install Anchor. In order to perform transactions with your account, you need a signing app such as Anchor. And now I am going to show you how to set up Anchor and import the private key that you copied earlier on. Go to your App Store and install the Anchor app. Open Anchor. Now select Add Account. Select Import Private Key. Paste the private key you copied from the Telos sign page here. Now select your account. Active is recommended. Confirm the import by clicking Import Account. And now your Telos account is imported in Anchor. If you followed all the steps correctly, then you successfully created your Telos account and imported it on Anchor. Now you can use dApps deployed on the Telos blockchain by tapping Connect Wallet and select Anchor. If you wish to use a wallet-like interface, you can use the Telos Web Wallet. If you want to make transfers, it's also possible to use the Telos Block Explorer, EOS Authority for example. You are now ready to explore the Telos ecosystem. If you have more questions, feel free to check out our knowledge base. The link is displayed on screen. We'd love to see you join our community. Please follow us on Twitter to stay up to date with the latest news. Come check out our Discord server or Reddit page to ask some more questions or just to hang out. Last but not least, this Telos for Daisy video is produced by Dutch Telos, a Telos validator. If you like this content, please consider voting for Dutch Telos. Thanks for watching.